Did you know you can upload your own data files directly into Looker? You can also instantly query your data using Conversational Analytics or in Explore. This means you can easily analyze and share ad hoc data, all while maintaining Looker's robust governance. The best part? You can do it all on the fly, without writing a single line of LookML. Let's dive in and see how file upload works. Imagine we have an Excel file containing this year's budget broken down by category. To get this into Looker, simply click Create and select Data Upload. From here, you can choose to upload a local CSV or Excel file or connect directly to a cloud source like Google Sheets. For this demo, we'll select our local Excel budget file and upload it. Once uploaded, this data is securely stored within your existing database, in this case, BigQuery, meaning it fully inherits your organization's data security policies. Now, Looker gives us a preview where we can review and edit the configuration before diving into the data. For example, you can choose to infer additional dimensions, like concatenating fields, but we'll keep it simple today. Let's make a few quick adjustments to clean things up. First, we'll change this measure's label to Total Budget and ensure its aggregation type is set to Sum. Next, to keep our workspace clean, we'll hide these two irrelevant measures, since we won't need them for our analysis. Everything looks perfect. Now let's click Explore and start analyzing our data. Let's select Category, Total Budget, and Core Product Classification, and hit Run. As you can see, it is exactly the same Explore experience. We can visualize how our budget is distributed. You might notice an uncertified badge here next to our data source. This is standard for newly uploaded self-service files. For a deeper look at how data certification and governance work, check out our dedicated video linked on screen right now. Next, let's take this a step further. We want to see how this budget stacks up against our actual performance. To do that, we can use Looker's Merge Results functionality. We'll bring in the category dimension, our total sales measure, and filter for the year 2026. Looker automatically detects that both datasets share the category field and suggests joining them on that dimension. Let's save this merge and run the combined query. And just like that, we have successfully blended our uploaded budget spreadsheet with our governed live sales data, all without writing a single line of code. We are now ready to visualize the results. Looking at this combined data, it looks like our business isn't doing great. Before we panic, let's save this analysis so we don't lose our progress. We'll save this to a dashboard so we can come right back to it. Let's explore how we can update an uploaded file in Looker. I reached out to the finance team, and sure enough, they sent over a revised, corrected version of the file. To update the data, we don't need to rebuild anything. Go back to the existing Explore. Click Update, choose the new file version from your local drive, and upload it. Once uploaded, Looker shows us a schema preview. It highlights a few structure changes, which we'll review and accept. Just like before, we'll clean up our schema by hiding any irrelevant fields we don't need for our analysis. Perfect. As you can see, we now have the correct, updated values reflecting our actual budget. Now, the results seem less dramatic, but we can observe that certain categories are underperforming. But what if you want to dig even deeper into these underperforming categories without manually building more charts? Let's explore how we can do exactly that using Conversational Analytics. Let us ensure agents have enough context by renaming the Explore and by adding a description to our budget measure. We can now go to Conversational Analytics. View the definition of our agent and add the Yearly Budget Explore. Finally, we provide additional instructions to the agent to correctly interpret and handle the budget. It is a full year measure. From here, we can simply ask the agent to compare sales versus budget to uncover deep insights. And boom, just like that, we have the exact analysis we were after. The full power of conversational analytics is now entirely at our fingertips. Will we meet our targets? What should our next steps be? There's no need to wait on a data scientist. Conversational analytics has you covered. Before we finish up, you might be wondering, how do we share this Explore with the rest of the team? From the Explore Select User Access, simply click Share Access and select the user or group you want to share it with.